everyone. Our lesson is about how to multiply functions. Objectives: at the end of the lesson, the students are able to multiply functions, solve problems involving multiplication of functions. Here is how to multiply functions. Okay, so using this value of f of x plus 2, and the value of g of x, 5x minus 6, we can have the multiplication of these functions. The formula is f of x, okay, multiply sa value ng g of x natin. Okay, so this is how write x plus 2 then we place it inside of the parentheses, the same as with the value of g of x, which is 5x minus 6. Okay, next is we will multiply the first term in the first parenthesis. This x will be multiplied to the first term in the second parenthesis, so it becomes 5x squared. Okay, so next, x times dito sa negative 6, so it becomes negative 6x. Next, ito naman na to, the second term in the first parenthesis will be multiplied also to the first term in the second parenthesis, so it becomes 10x, positive 10x. Next, the second term in the first parenthesis will be multiplied to the last term in the second parenthesis. Okay, so it becomes negative 12. Okay, so next things to do is to combine like terms. So let us bring down 5x squared because nag-iisa lang siya, wala siyang kaparehas. 5x squared teka lang, press muna natin itong x. X squared, next i-combine natin itong negative 6x at saka dito sa positive 10x. So it becomes positive 4 because 10 is greater than negative 6, so positive 4x. Okay, dito naman wala siyang kalike terms o kaparehas itong negative 12, so let us bring down this negative 12. Okay, so yun lang ang pagsagot ng multiplication sa function. Okay, so ito yung paraan kung paano multiply ng function. So itong sagot natin. Okay, so madali lang, I hope na nakuha nyo. So next, ito, paano ito i-multiply? Ganun pa rin yung formula natin. Of G, dapat solid na dot kasi pag may hollow dot, yan ay composite function. Ito multiply natin. Okay, ganun pa rin. Ngayon, yung 3x plus 2 lagay natin sa loob ng parenthesis, and also the value of g of x, which is 4 minus 5x x. Okay, so gamit pa rin yung FOIL method. Okay, so the first term in the first parenthesis is multiplied to the first term in the second parenthesis. It becomes 12x saka dito naman 3x times dito sa negative 5, that is negative 15 x squared, negative 15 x squared. Okay, saka dito naman yung last term dito sa first parenthesis, multiply natin dito sa first term sa last parenthesis or second parenthesis rather. So it becomes 8. Saka ito naman, itong to multiply natin dito sa negative 5x, so it becomes negative 10x. Okay, so ngayon combine na natin yung like terms. So ang negative 15x squared wala siyang kapareha, so kopyahin lang natin yung negative 15 x squared. Tanong, sir, bakit mo unang isinulat ang negative 15x? Yung nauna naman itong 12x. Ganito yan, kung sino ang mas highest yung exponent, siya yung mauunang isulat. Okay, so next, combine na natin itong 12x dito sa negative 10x, it becomes positive 2x. 2x na lang siya kasi ma-minus natin ang 10 dito sa 12. 2x na lang siya. Saka bring down itong constant na 8 lang. Ganun kasulat. Plus 8. Okay, so yun ang pag-multiply ng functions. Okay, sana mayroon kayong natutunan sa video lesson na ito. At maraming salamat sa panonood. Palagi kayong manood sa mga video ko kasi maraming kayong matutunan sa mga video ina-upload ko sa aking video channel ko na Math Karit. Maraming salamat.